अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज हम 9th क्लास इंग्लिश चैप्टर नंबर 6 द वैल्यू ऑफ टाइम यानी वक्त की कदर कीमत। आज हम इसकी लास्ट वीडियो देखेंगे जो कि हमारे जी इसके क्वेश्चन आंसर। चलिए जी शुरू करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, हाउ डिड तासीर यूज टू वेस्ट हिज टाइम बिफोर he visited the grandfather home? Before visiting the grandfather, Tasir was habitual of putting off things. He used to waste his time in playing video games, chatting with friends, and living in fantasy world. Question number 2. In what way did the poor time management affected Tasir's performance? Answer. Poor time management affected Tasir's performance adversely. He was often seen to be short of time. He seemed to struggle with his work, doing his assignments in great haste. Thus, his tasks often remained incomplete. Next question, the question number 3. How did Tasir fill the jar? Tasir very eagerly poured the sand into the jar first, then he put pebbles into it. In the end, he tried to push the stones into it, but he could not as there was no room left in the jar. Question number 4. Why did the grandfather decide to help Tasir? Answer. The grandfather often saw Tasir struggling with his work. He perceived that his grandson did not know how to utilize his time properly. Thus, he decided to help him by teaching him a lesson of time management. Question number 5. What is the impact of accurate time management on Tasir's performance? The impact of accurate time management on Tasir's performance was highly significant. He felt less stressed about doing his tasks, his grades improved, and he was left with enough time for his family and friends. Thank you.